Good morning. I'm Anitha, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Let us discuss about the topic data mining. What is data mining? Data mining is extracted and analysis to fetch useful information, and it is a process of searching and analyzing a large batch of raw data in order to identifying patterns and extract useful informations. Companies use data mining software to learn more about their customers. It can help them to develop more effective marketing strategies, increase sales, and decrease cost. Data mining relies on effective data collection, warehousing, and computer processing. Data mining is the process of analyzing a large batch of information to discern trends and patterns. Data mining program break down patterns and connections into data based on what information user request or provide. Social media companies use data mining techniques to commodify their users in order to generate profit. This is the structure of data mining, how data is extracted from the databases and moves to one particular target to next level, which means selection of data is from the database, and it will take pre-processing, transformation, and then finally the data mining is done. It is in the model of patterns and interpretation and evolution, then we get the knowledge. Next, how data mining works. Data mining involves exploring and analyzing large blocks of information to glean meaningful patterns and trends. It is useful in credit risk management, fraud detections, and spam filtering, and help reveals the sentiments or opinions of a given group of people. The data mining process breaks down into four steps. One is data is collected and loaded into data warehouse on site or a cloud services. Business analyst, management teams, and information technology professional access the data and determine how they want to organize it. Next, customer application software sorts and organizes the data. The end user presents the data in a easy to share format such as graphs and tables. Data warehouse and data mining softwares. Data mining program analyzes relationships and patterns in data based on user request. It organizes information into classes. For example, a restaurant may want to use data mining to determine which specials it should offer on what days. The data can be organized into classes based on when customer visits and what they order. In other cases, data miner find custom clusters of information based on logical relationship or look at associations and sequential pattern to draw conclusions about trends and consumers behaviors. Warehousing is an important aspect of data mining. Warehousing is a centralized of your organization's data into one database or program. It allows the organization to spin off segments of data for specific user to organize to and use depending on their needs. Next, database techniques. Some of the techniques we are using in data mining. One is association rules, classifications, and clustering and decision tree, k nearest neighbor, and then neural networks. Association rules also referred to as marketing based basket analysis. Classifications are predefined classes to assign to objects. Clustering are similar to classifications. However, clustering identifies similar between objects, then groups, then these items based on what makes them different from other items. Next, decision tree are used to classify or predict our outcome based on a set list of criteria and decisions. K-nearest neighborhood is an algorithm that classifies based on its proximity to other data. Neural network process data through the use of nodes. Next, data mining, some of the features. It is good with large databases and datasets. It predicts future results and it creates actionable insights. It utilizes the automated discovery of set of patterns, and some of the advantages are fraud detection, trend analysis, market analysis. Some of the techniques which we are used in data mining. One is classification. Classification is used to fetch the appropriate information from the data set and to segregate different classes that are present in the data set. Below are the classification models. The classification of data mining framework as per the types of data sources mined. The classification of data mining frames are the as per the database involved. The classification of data mining frameworks are per the kind of knowledge discovered and according to data mining techniques used. Then coming to clustering is a division of information into groups of connected objects describing the data by a few clusters, mainly losses certain confined details. Next coming to, in other words, we can say that clustering analysis is data mining techniques to identify similar data. These techniques help to recognize the differences and similarities between the data. Clustering is very similar to the classification but has involved grouping chunks of data together based on their similarities. Next, some of the techniques for data mining which we are using is k nearest neighbors, support vector machine, and Gaussian naive Bayes, etc. Thank you.